If you're experiencing login issues on Uber Eats, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. This guide will help you identify common issues and provide solutions. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double check that you are entering the correct email address and password. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Step 3. Update the app. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Uber Eats app. Go to your device's app store, search for Uber Eats, and update if necessary. An outdated app can cause login problems. Step 4. Clear cache and data. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use Esort to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Uber Eats customer support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue further and provide specific solutions based on your account. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login issues on Uber Eats. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from support.